Turkey's Erdogan to New Zealand terrorist, you will pay for this. Imam resides in New Zealand Parliament in wake up of terror attacks. US Muslim groups calls for Fox News boycott. UK's Muslim leader warns of systematic Islamophobia. 2 Iraqi soldiers killed in Daesh ambush. Japan to send defense forces to non-UN mission in Egypt. Ethiopia, 5 killed in Oromia shooting. Indonesia floods, death toll rises to 89 in Papua. Myanmar, Rakhine politician get jail term for treason. Bangladesh, 7 killed in local election day ambush. Kashmir, teacher dies in Indian police custody. Indian elected in Afghanistan safely returns home.